The desert rose, absolutely gorgeous plant, can be extremely temperamental. You give it too much water, it hates you. Don't give it enough, it hates you. So a lot of people have a great deal of difficulty growing them, and some people just seem to have the right knack. This is one of my wife's favourite ones to play with. It's not a big one for me personally. And what I have done is, this one just recently ended up getting some seed pods on it. So there's a trick with those. You have to basically cover them appropriately at the right time so that when they burst, the seeds don't fly away, because they're kind of like dandelions. They have this fluffiness on them, catches the wind. So actually did that, played around, managed to get the seeds from this one's pods. Now, from all of the stuff that I've read, particularly on a slightly younger plant, which this one is, you can get a very, very low success rate on the seeds, unless you're lucky. So I decided to give it a go. And I think I may have actually been lucky. So these ones here, which I were... So what I've done is put them in a little mini greenhouse. Alright, 2 weeks old, 1 week old. So if we bear with me with the shaky camera, alright, that's 2 weeks. So what I've done here is I've stolen an idea from another channel about biodegradable seedling pots, and basically cut toilet rolls in half and use those. Biodegradable, breaks down, saves root shock. I think brilliant idea. I actually ran out of them, went into the normal, and then tried some in the Jiffy pods. They don't seem to like the Jiffy pods, so I don't know whether I just got unlucky with the seeds I put in there or whether they just don't like the Jiffy. So I probably won't bother Jiffy pods with this particular plant again, just based on the fact that it's, well, the Jiffy pods cost money. So alright, but as you can see, I've had an extremely good success rate with a mixture. Actually, there's a couple of different mixtures that I've put in here. So I've done seed raising mix. I've done one of my seed raising mix as well, but with perlite mixed in, which is what you're supposed to do. Then I've used one of my favourite potting mixes, which has a high level of peat moss in it, in the next row. And then I mix perlite with that. Then I basically just mixed together all of what was left over and put it in the plastic ones, and then tried the Jiffy pods, 2 of which worked and 3 of which didn't, which was kind of disappointing. I was really surprised. Took only a week. Now here, this is basically what it was after a week's time. Now if you look carefully or have a large enough screen, the green ones are pretty obvious, but you can actually see that in the majority of the spots there as well, we actually have small ones just pushing through that aren't quite as obvious, which will actually hopefully turn into plants as well. So this is 1 week for the desert rose. They're a very fast sprouter. It's quite surprising. I was blown away. Read about it. Said, oh yeah, they take, you know, 7 to 10 days. And yeah, okay, yeah, right. Like really, whatever actually shows itself that quickly. But they do. They really, really come up very quickly initially. So the trick now is, can I actually keep them alive from this point to an actual mature plant? So I will keep you posted on this. So I've got the 2 weeks old, the 1 week old, and then I'll actually continue on keeping you updated with it to see how we go. Once I actually get them large enough to transplant into an actual normal pot and go from there. If I can get them to actually grow, well, this is the kind of plant people actually like to buy. They're a very, very popular plant. So, hey, with any luck, I'll be able to make some money out of this and actually be able to maintain my hobby with it, which will be absolutely awesome. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. Share and ask any questions. If there's anything in particular that you'd like to know about this, what I've done, any suggestions that I have, or anything you'd actually like me to do or cover, please ask. And if it's inside my realms of interest and capabilities, I will do my best. Other than that, thanks very much. Catch you later.